Welcome, my name is Michael Washenko. I am the owner of Premier Art Documentation and our publishing house Lost Alphabet, and I help artists and institutions connect with their target audience. It's like what I do is my specialty. So today I want to talk a little bit about the most overlooked medium in terms of growing an audience as an artist, and that is video. I think that artists are so tied up in making whatever it is that they want to make, whether it's drawing or painting or sculpture or even video art, that they're really not doing what it is that I'm doing and just sitting in front of a camera and talking directly to their audience, because this is super powerful. The reality is that your audience is going to connect with you, your audience is going to love you if you have that one-on-one with them. So it's one thing to like put out your work, you photograph something, a painting, and you put it on Instagram, but it's another thing to take a video of yourself painting it, or go live while you're painting it and talk with your audience and explain what it is that you're doing. You don't have to be worried about them stealing your trade secrets, because the reality is they're not going to steal your trade secrets. They're always going to be a different person. They're always going to go and make their own art. And if they do copy you, it will never be as good as the stuff that you make, because you arrived there through real, genuine effort. The next thing would just be like talking like this on a pre-recorded video, just to go and help artists, just to go and share what it is that you're thinking, what you're experiencing, to let your viewers and your audience connect with you beyond your art. Because if they're following you already, or they want to follow you, they're thinking about following you, they've connected with your art, but for them to really stay forever, they want to connect with you. So that's my tip for right now. I know it's like a little tiny one, but that's just to go and make video if you're an artist, because people are watching. People will watch you, and if you want them to pay attention to you, you're going to get more engagement with a video than you are generally with just a photograph of your painting. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day.